Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed what will be the sum of n terms of an AP, and in this video we are going to see what will be the nth term of an AP in terms of sum from the chapter sequence and series. So we have seen that the general term of an AP will be represented by an will be equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d, where a1 is the first term and d is the common difference. Then the sum of n terms will be represented by s of n, and that will be equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 so on up to an minus 1 plus an, because we are simply adding the n terms of an AP. Now if we take the sum of n minus 1 terms, so s of n minus 1 will be equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus so on up to an minus 2 plus an minus 1. So here instead of taking till an, I am taking only till an minus 1. Now add an on both sides. So when we add an on both sides, we can see this becomes an plus s of n minus 1 is equal to, now when you see the terms, we can see it is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus so on up to an minus 1 plus an, which is equal to s of n like written in the previous step. So this will be equal to s of n. Now when you bring s of n minus 1 to the right hand side, then we'll have an equal to s of n minus s of n minus 1. So that means the nth term of an AP will be equal to sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. Now let's discuss a few examples by trying to find the nth term using the sum of n terms and the n minus 1 terms. The question we have s of 5 equal to 10 and s of 6 equal to 12, and we are asked to find what is the sixth term. So that means a6. Then using the formula, a6 will be equal to s6 minus s of 6 minus 1, which will be equal to s6 minus s5. So the sixth term will be equal to the value of the sum of 6 terms is 12 minus the value of sum of 5 terms is 10. So the sixth term will be equal to 2. And similarly, if we take an arithmetic progression to check whether this is true or not, let's consider even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now the sum of 5 terms will be equal to, now let's use the formula that we discussed in the previous video. So s of 5 will be equal to n by 2 into a1 plus an. Since we know the last term, I am using this formula. So this will be equal to 5 by 2 into a1 is 2 plus 10, which will be 5 by 2 into 12. That will be equal to 5 into 6, which is 30. Now let's see what will be the sum of 4 terms. So sum of 4 terms will be equal to n by 2. So n is equal to 4 here. So 4 by 2 into a1 plus a4. Here n we took as 4. So we need to consider the fourth term. So the fourth term is 8, right? So 2 plus 8. So this will be equal to 4 by 2 is 2 into 10, which will be equal to 20. Now using the formula, the fifth term a5 will be equal to Sn minus Sn of n minus 1. So since we take n equal to 5, we will have S of 4. That will be equal to 30 minus 20, which we found using the formulas. So 30 minus 20 is 10. So here you can see that a5 equal to 10 is true because the fifth term we took is 10, right? Hope you understood well. Thank you.